Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a ta-da video that I have gathered, and I hope you like this ta-da video. I finished it. Yes, I knit this total of 5 bellissimo, which I bought it from hobium.com from Turkey, and I used up all the entire 5 balls. I finished up with the hat. So just to show you, it's the bucket hat version. I do have a tutorial. It is pretty long. Yeah, this will fit small. You're going to be seeing it on a mannequin. My mannequin is a medium size, so it's an oversized cardigan with 10 beautiful buttons I bought from Temu. It closes up. It will fit small. As you can see, it's not covering my front. I'm a 3X, 2 extra, 3X. So it will fit up to a 2 extra large. I would say extra large comfortably. And you can see on the mannequin, I have took a video, a little clip, just to show you. And me here knitting it. I just wanted to finish all the yarn because I do have the same color in cones. So I'm going to post this on my Etsy shop. It is for sale. And if it sells, I will use the cones. I will knit with the cones that I have bought 3 years ago. And I love the colorway, how pastel-y beautiful it is. It just looks nice, and it's super nice and soft. It has a tint of mohair, not that itchy at all, just to let you know. It's not like 78% mohair, maybe 10% mohair it has. I can't remember. I did keep one of the labels, so I will attach that to the cardigan when I'm selling, because yeah. So I hope you like this short clip. I did wash it. I did put it in a washer, short speed, fast speed. And here I am steaming. I am not ironing. It looks like I am ironing, but I'm just pushing, pressing the steam, so kind of blocking it. So it's nice. It smells beautiful. I washed it with Gain detergent with a liquid fabric softener. And here I am just steaming. I'm not pressing. If I press the iron, it will burn. So do not do that. And here is it on the mannequin. Before I sewed the buttons, it was still moist, so I was letting it dry. Okay, so you guys take care, and I'll see you on my next videos. Happy knitting. Bye-bye.